So guys, in this video I will be showing you all how to actually use many ads in one asset and why it's very important. Basically, the essence of making use of many ads in one ad set, that is many creatives in one ad set, is to actually enable your ad to actually circulate amongst your particular audience. So let's say you have about 5 million audience and you make use of, let's say, 3 different ads. That way your ad will be shown to different type of audience according to their action and according to their behavior while doing any activities online. So now let's say you have you can actually make use of 3 different types of ads, like making use of video, images, carousel. And very importantly, the essence of all this is to actually enable your ads not to actually reach a stage of fatigue. Fatigue means that is actually making use of one particular ad to run to a particular audience, and when this particular audience keeps seeing this particular ad, they tend to scroll through. Okay, they tend to ignore it because they have actually seen it many times. Okay, and also once such ad is being seen many times, it will start not to perform well. The performance will start to reduce. So the essence of actually making use of different ads in one asset is to actually enable your audience not to be exhausted in terms of the particular ad they are seeing, and to enable your ads not to get fatigued. So importantly, when you make use of different ads, it enables your ad to perform better. Okay, your click-through rate will go high, your frequency will stay normal, and every other type of metrics you're actually tracking will also stay normal. And also using different type of ads, it will also help you to actually get to test different ads and understand the one that is going to perform better for you. So now let's hop into the video. So now once you get here, you get to your campaign, you go to create. So we'll presume we want to create a new ad, so go ahead and click on create. So once you get here, we'll pick our conversion depending on the type of ad you want to run. So go ahead and click continue. So once you are here, you go, first of all, name your campaign and you go ahead and make your setup. If you're making use of CBO, you make use of that. If you want more lecture on CBO, check my next video. You'll see it among them. So you go to the asset level. This is where you set up your targeting, location, and the likes. So once you are here now, as you can see, this is where you set up your audience and whatever. So now, but what we are looking at is the ads level, which is the ad level. Once you get to the ad level, we want to actually get to use different type of ads under one particular asset. So now let's assume this one, the particular one, is video. Also remember that you can actually make use of more than 2 videos in one ad. Okay, you can actually make use of more than 2 videos depending on the type of creative you want to make use of. You can also use more than different type of thumbnails for each one to actually test different ads to understand which one will perform better in enabling you to scale up your campaign. So let's assume this is video. We'll take this as video. I'll go ahead and feed in our text. You can put in anything you want to put in. Now go ahead and select video. So click and select video. So we select this. It's loading. So we'll go ahead and click on add media, and then we'll select add video. Once you click on add video, we'll go ahead and select the particular video we want to make use of. Then we'll select it. Then we'll click done. So now this is the particular, let's say one particular ad we've actually created. Now you go ahead and put your headline, description, your call to action, and then we've actually created this particular ad. We can go ahead and publish it. Once we published it, we'll close the tab, and then once we have published this particular ad, this particular one is video, we'll go ahead and duplicate it. We click on duplicate. We can actually duplicate it as many times as we want. Let's say we have about 3 or 2 movies. We can actually duplicate it, but make sure that the type of number of ads you are applying should correspond with your budget. You cannot have a $5 budget and have more than 3 ads in one asset. Your budget will actually not be able to reach out, and at the end of the day, Facebook will prioritize one particular ads amongst the others. So make sure that you have a normal budget that can actually go well with them. So go ahead and say, let's assume we want to actually have 2 more ads, 1 more video, and let's say 1 image. We'll go ahead and click on duplicate. As you can see here, it has duplicated. We'll go ahead and select one. Once we've done that, let's assume this is another video. We can go ahead and click on type video 2, but make sure that you have to save the videos with the name of that particular video, so that you can actually know the type of video you are testing, so that when you look at your metrics, you'll be able to identify that particular video. So once we've done that, we'll go ahead and change the video. Go to edit media, say change video, go ahead and select another video, and then next, done. As you can see here, then we'll go to the second one, which is the third one. Once we get to the third one, let's say this one wants to actually make use of image on this one, so we'll go ahead and delete the video, and then we'll click on add media, add image, and then we'll choose a particular image we want to make use of. Next, done. We'll go ahead and rename it image. So that is how to actually create main ads in one ad set. So that way we'll be able to test different creative to understand which particular one is performing better and which one we can actually go ahead with. So now once we have done all these things, now I want to get to ad sets, because we've already done this in that particular campaign. When we want to actually test different interests in one asset, we can now duplicate the particular asset. Once we duplicate this particular asset, all the ads we've actually created in this ad set will also be among the one that will be duplicated automatically. Or if you want to create new campaign and then apply these ads under it because they're performing well, you can go ahead and then select all of them, or you select the particular ones that you feel like are the ones performing better